Hello everyone. Washing machines are important household appliances, helping to save time and effort in doing laundry. With advanced technology, washing machines not only clean clothes, but also protect fabric fibers and save energy. To better understand the washing machine manufacturing process, join me in exploring the factory that manufactures and assembles a series of modern washing machines. First, flat steel coils are fed into the press, where they are stamped and cut to shape the washing machine's housings. This process ensures that the housings are manufactured with high precision. At this machine, the top cover of the washing machine will have its edges precisely stamped. Don't be surprised by this machine. With just a few simple steps, you can see the washing machine cover is completed. The process is quick and efficient, demonstrating the advanced technology in modern manufacturing. After having the machine cover, painting is a mandatory process to help the washing machines last longer over time. There are two technologies, dip painting and spray painting, that will be applied depending on each model and market requirements. Washing machines are often painted with two main colors, white or gray, creating a modern and sophisticated appearance, while protecting the metal surface from harmful environmental factors. Next, this stainless steel coil will be fed into another stamping machine. Here, the steel plate is punched into many holes and then welded to serve the washing drum making process. The automatic robot will weld the bottom plates of the washing drum, then they are welded with the front punching part to form a complete washing drum. This automatic welding process ensures high precision and quality, giving the washing drum good durability and load-bearing capacity. After completing the washing drum, it will undergo a test by this machine to ensure it is accurate and does not shake when spinning. Do you see this rolled up sheet of steel? It's just like a washing drum, right? In fact, this is the outer shell of the washing drum. For each different model, this cover can be made of metal or plastic. For plastic covers, this part will be imported from another factory and not produced directly here. Control circuits and motors are also components that will be imported from other factories. If you are interested in manufacturing these components, let me know in the comments section of the video. Now join me in the process of assembling washing machines. First, for machines with a plastic washing drum cover, this plastic cover will be firmly attached to the washing drum, ensuring there are no errors that cause water leakage during the washing process. After that, a counterweight will be installed on the washing drum to ensure balance for the machine when operating. This process helps the washing machine operate stably and efficiently. Next, the motor will be installed into the washing drum along with the moving mechanism. This procedure is important to ensure the washing machine operates efficiently. The motor is the heart of the washing machine, providing the necessary energy for the washing drum to rotate and perform washing cycles. Installing the motor and moving mechanism requires high precision to avoid technical errors that can affect the performance of the washing machine. Next, the washing drum will be assembled with the outer shell of the washing machine. This process requires meticulousness to ensure all parts fit together perfectly. After the washing drum and outer shell are securely connected, technicians will continue to complete the control circuit, ensuring that the washing machine's electronic system operates stably and accurately. Finally, after complete assembly, each washing machine must undergo a mandatory test to ensure the best quality before being sold to the market. This testing process includes many thorough testing steps, from commissioning key functions to checking the tightness of connections, the durability of the drum, and the accuracy of the control circuit.